Today we're going to learn how to use Edmodo in the classroom. Edmodo is a great tool to use within your class to help your students collaborate when they are not in the classroom, or even when they're in the classroom. Sometimes they're sitting in groups and they like to send each other messages as to what they're working on. So here you have the basic logon page. Teachers log on, you can get an account. You usually need to associate one email address with the account. You cannot create another account with the same email address. Students can log in. All they'll need is a group code to join. They do not need an email address. And then the same with parents. If you give the parents the group code or the parent code, they can go in and monitor the account as well. So we're going to go in and log on. And here you will see the dashboard. On the left, you have all the groups that you have created or will create. On top is your home, progress, the badges that you've given to students. If you've assigned a quiz, you can check their progress here. This is a button where they can discover new things. You have apps that you could put into your Edmodo. A library, a few files in here that when we're not in the class, the students would be able to access in case they forgot them at home. On the right, there's a store, and you can buy or you can download free websites or apps that will help your students in class. Here is the tool button, which helps you manage your apps. An apps launcher. These are the apps I currently have in my dashboard. A planner, and also snapshot, which we will get to later. So I'm going to go back home. And you will see to get started within a group, all you need to do is go here to the plus sign. You click on the plus sign and you get a create or join. Create means you can create your own group. Join, if you have a group code, you can join a group that's already in progress. So we're going to create, we're going to name this the Math Experts, because we were just working on a math project. The grade, currently grade 5, and I'm going to the subject, and of course it drills down to what subject. So for us, it would just be, for my 5th grade class, would be basic math. I would create, and then you're asked what size would your group be. Usually our groups are very small, between 1 and 5. You can also add a description of your group, and I'll click finish. It will then give you, Edmodo gives you a group code, which you can email to your students. So usually I copy and paste. I go back home and I type a note. Here you will find your group code, and I will paste that in, and then you can enter the names of the students that you'd like to send it to. You can also post alerts if anything is late, assignments. You can give a quiz. You can take a quick poll of your students, and you can ask them many questions. Do you like red or blue? And you can put an answer, yes or no. And you can add an answer or take it away. Then I can send it to my class. My class is 5306. And that will send that to the entire class. I can also join other groups. I am part of the Snapshot Trailblazers. My school has created many groups that we use for our planning. I have also joined a Gifted and Talented group, and you get a lot of feedback from different members in the community all throughout the U.S., those who are using Edmodo, and it becomes a very useful tool. So that will conclude this session of Edmodo, and our next session will be Snapshot.